In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Evernote ads. If you're tired of seeing marketing pop-ups in Evernote or getting promotional emails you don't really need, this walkthrough will help you turn most of that off in just a few clicks. I'll guide you slowly through each part of the settings menu so you know exactly where to go and what each option does. Start on your Evernote home screen. This is the main dashboard you see when you first open the app, with your notes, shortcuts, and recent activity. Look down to the bottom left corner of the window. You should see your profile area there. It may show your initials, a profile picture, or just your account name. Go ahead and click that profile area to open your account options. From the menu that appears, you'll want to choose the option labeled Admin Console. This is where Evernote keeps many of the account-level settings, including preferences for communication and marketing messages. Click Admin Console and give it a second to load if it doesn't open instantly. Once you're in the Admin Console, shift your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar is your main navigation for all the different sections of your account. Look through the list and find the section called Evernote Personal Settings. When you see it, click to open it. This will bring up a page with different categories of settings that control how Evernote interacts with you. On this page, scroll until you find the Email Options section. This is the key area where you can reduce or stop a lot of marketing-related communication. You'll see several checkboxes here, each one representing a type of email Evernote might send you, such as product news, feature updates, or promotional offers. To cut down on marketing messages, uncheck all of the boxes in the Email Options section. Taking a moment to clear every box helps ensure you're opted out of those non-essential marketing emails and notifications. If you ever change your mind later, you can come back to this same section and re-enable specific types of emails. After you've unchecked all the boxes, make sure you scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. This step is crucial. If you close the window or navigate away without saving, Evernote will keep your old settings and the ads and emails may continue. Once you've clicked Save Changes, your new preferences are applied and you should start seeing fewer marketing pop-ups and emails from Evernote.